Now let us come to continuous bezier. Continuous bezier creates a smooth rate of change through a keyframe, and unlike the auto bezier interpolation method, continuous bezier lets us adjust the direction handles manually. So it is basically a very big advantage where we can create or we can manipulate the handles, and we can manipulate even the animation behavior manually. So this feature was not there, and this advantage was not there in auto bezier. And as we change the shape of the graph on one side of a keyframe, the shape on the other side of the keyframe changes to maintain a smooth transition. Let us check that now. So I would say linear to all those, and this the middle one 140. I'll change it to 160, and I would say continuous bezier. Right click on the keyframe. I would also make this as continuous bezier. So if you notice, this continuous bezier creates a very smooth kind of animation, and I will just shift its location. And yeah, it is very smooth. So basically, if we see bezier, auto bezier, and continuous bezier, it gives us the advantage of creating smooth animations. And now let us come to this hold. What is basically hold? Hold changes a property value without the gradual transition, and the graph following the keyframe with the hold interpolation applied appears as a horizontal line. So and if I say this hold, so if you see here, it holds the value that is 160. The animation goes from 126 to 160, and it is holding down the value of 160, and the moment it comes to this frame, if you see this, I'll just show you. The moment it comes to this frame, that is when it goes to the time of this keyframe, there is a sudden change in our frame, which means the video has been upscaled to 190 from 160. If you see the note, if you see the value on this, it is 160 here, and when it goes to the next frame, that is when our keyframe is placed, it changes to 190. So yeah, it what it does is it creates a jerky kind of animation. So it basically holds the data, and I would make everything now to linear, and our animation is there, but in a very linear and not in a smooth way. So what I would do next is we would go to ease in now. Let's see first what is ease in. Ease in basically slows down the value changes entering a keyframe. Let's check. I want my ease in to be here. So I have right clicked and selected ease in. So it is gradually changing my interpolation method and the behavior of my animation. As you can see here, let us delete this and make this as ease in. I hope you are able to get the difference. This is linear. I'll make this to ease in. Are you able to, I guess you are able to get the difference of both of linear and ease in. I would again make this to linear and I would make this as ease out now.